Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back in the Dollar Tree, my favorite store, and I'm just going to browse today and see what things I can find here. I see that they still have the school supplies out, and I see a brand new pen here. It's a feathery type rainbow color pen by Jot. Very nice. Alright, so I don't see that they've put out their Halloween things yet, but I see a lot of boxes over here with Halloween crafts inside. So I can't wait till they open those up so we can see what's going on. Alright, so I see that they have put out a lot more fall decor. These are the foam craft kits, and you can actually make a turkey. It has the turkey feathers, which would be a very nice little craft set for a small child. It says 5+. It would be a great one. And they also have this one right here with the little basket of fruit. That's very nice. And I also see that they have the felt phone shape acorns right here. So I see that they put some tablecloths out. But this is one of the tablecloths here. And they also have this one here. And I also see they have one hidden back here that looks like this right here. And of course they have these welcome signs here with Scarecrow. Okay, so more decor. This is very pretty right here. It'd be good for maybe like a table. You can put on your table, or you can put on your walls or your windows. But they have the sun. They also have the ones in burgundy and leaves. And I see the owls that they have here. Let's see if they have any more. I see one right here with it looks like an orange leaf. Yeah, that's what it is. But these are very nice, and it's like a felt material. And I couldn't think of what I was saying earlier, but you can have these as placemats on your table for decoration for the holidays. Alright, so I see that they've put more pumpkins out. This is very pretty. They have this color here, and they also have this one right here. Very pretty. Alright guys, so I see that they start selling the fall leaf candles. This is Old Williamsburg, and I took the lid off, and it smells very good, and it looks like this is the only one they have, so I'm going to go ahead and get this one. But it smells very good. It smells just like fall leaves. Very nice. Alright, so I see that I found the candles right here, but this one right here is a spiced pumpkin, which smells very good. For these to be $1 at the Dollar Tree, they have a strong scent to these. So I'm going to get both of these right here, spiced pumpkin, and they also have the fall leaves. Alright, so I see that they have more ribbon out here. They have the fall ribbon. They have this one here. And I also see that they have this one right here in like a gold color. And I also see that they have some cute little owls out right now. And they come in different color. The hats are different colors, but this is in a green. I see one in an orange here. And I also see this one right here, but they're all in maybe a green and an orange color hat, fall color hats. Alright, so I see that they added more centerpieces here for the table. They have this one right here. They have this pumpkin one. Let's see here. I don't see any more back here, but those are the only ones that they still have. Put out a few more of the door hangers. These are different color ones they have out now. But this one is in a green ribbon. And this one right here is actually in a yellow one. Alright, and I see that they have these. These are new here, but these are very pretty, but they have them in the orange and the yellow ones. It would be great decoration for the outside. Very nice. Alright, so I don't see that they've put out any more of the baskets here. These are pretty much the same ones that they've had out, but I would definitely like these here for crafts and things like that. I make beads here, so I would definitely need some of these to put my beads in. But they have them in white and black, and they also have these right here in a smaller one, and they have them numbered from 1 through 1, 2, and 3, and the 2 are bigger, which are this size here, and I'm assuming the larger ones are the ones. Alright guys, so I see that they also have some little doilies here. These are like a light beige color, and I also see that they have them in white up here. Let me see if they have any other colors. No, they just have them in the white and the beige color. Also, I see that they have the placemats for kids. I only see one, but I'm pretty sure they're round. But this one says PJ Mask. Alright, nothing new in this section here. I think they still have the same things that they had before, but this is like a soup mug, but they have them in different colors. They also have the sandwich holders for the kids. These are not new finds, but if you've never seen these before, here they are. They also have the little sippy cups for the kids. They come in pink, purple, and blue with different cartoon characters on them. And they also have these cups here, which these are new characters, but I remember when I was little, we used to have these cups here. But these are very nice to have. And they have them in all different ones. They also have these little plates here for the kids. And I see a cereal bowl back here for the kids. Or ice cream or whatever you want to put inside. Alright, and I see that they have the secret body wipes in the cooled water lily scent. And they also have it in the calm birch water. And you get 15 individually wrapped cleansing wipes. I need to get a few boxes of those as well, since I go to the gym. And these will be great to have temporarily. Alright, so I see that they have the little charm bracelets. I've been seeing these in different stores. They have the little charm on the end of it. This is a pineapple one, and this is like a tree. They have them in different colors. They have them in orange, green, gold. You can also see a purple one back there. But those are very nice for the kids. Alright, so they have a new find here. I found the Harvest Snaps. They have these in the mango chili lime. They have the black bean. And I also see that they still have the snack pea crisp. The ones, my favorite ones. But I'm going to have to definitely try the black bean ones out. Alright, I don't see any more, but I bet those are very good, especially with the mango chili lime flavor. Alright, so I also see that they have the granola bites here. These are in the chocolate flavor. They have them in cinnamon. And those are the only two flavors that I see here. I don't see any more. But those are very good. Alright guys, I just wanted to stop by and see what they had to offer here in the Dollar Tree. It looks like they haven't put anything new out yet, but I do want to thank you for stopping by my channel today. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Share, comment, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. And if you're returning, welcome back, sis. Thanks again for stopping by my channel, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye guys.